Friends, today we will talk about Kumu Dalal Ganguly, who born in 13 October 1911, better known by his stage name Ashok Kumar,
मैं बन का पंछी बन के संग संग डोलूं रे।
and also fondly called Dadamani. He was an Indian film actor who attained iconic status in Indian cinema.
मैंने आज तक भगवान से कभी कुछ नहीं मांगा, प्रार्थना तक नहीं की, लेकिन अब जब तक जिंदा रहूंगा यही प्रार्थना करता रहूंगा कि तुम सुखी रहो।
Kumu Dalal father want him to become a lawyer and got him enrolled in a law college. However, Kumu Dalal means Ashok Kumar failed his exam and to escape a ceremony at home, come to live with his sister in Mumbai for a few months until the exams were held again. Kumu Dalal's sister Sati Devi has been married at a very young age to S. Mukherjee, who lived in Chembur in Mumbai and worked in a fairly senior position in the technical department of Bombay Talkies, a pioneering Indian film studio. Kumu Dalal want to earn some spending money for himself, and at his request, S. Mukherjee used his influence to get him a job as a laboratory assistant at Bombay Talkies. This was in the earlier 1930s. The salary was quite decent. Furthermore, Kumu Dalal was successful at his job and found the job interesting.
ताला पेट में ताला 16.5 15 15 दूना 30 तिया 45 चौके 60 फना 75 छक्के 90 साथी पिछलन आठी 20 नंबर 25 गले में रस्सा.
He had not been the case with law college. He managed to convince his father. His father would not hear of this. Intervention of S. Mukherjee. Before he finally reconciled himself to the situation and agreed to let Kumu Dalal, the Ashok Kumar, abandon his law studies. Thus began the story film career, not as an actor, but as a laboratory assistant of the future Ashok Kumar. Kumu Dalal was happy working as a laboratory assistant and remained in the position for some 5 years. His acting career started purely by accident.
मन की किताब से तुम मेरा नाम ही मिटा देना.
Shooting was already underway on the Bombay Talkies. Production Jeevan Naya in 1936, when the main lead Najamul Hasan eloped with his co-star Devika Rani, who happened to be the wife of Himanshu Roy, millionaire owner of Bombay Talkies. Rani subsequently returned to her husband, who out of spite dismissed Hasan and summarily ordered Kumu Dalal to replace him. This he did against the advice of director Fernand Austin. Kumudalal was given the screen name Ashok Kumar.
आएगा 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 आने वाला आएगा आएगा आएगा
Screen name Ashok Kumar, in keeping with the general trend in an era when actors conceal their real identities behind screen names.
धीरे धीरे हारे बादल धीरे हारे बादल धीरे धीरे जा मेरा बुलबुल सो रहा है मेरा बुलबुल सो रहा है शोरगुल न मचा धीरे धीरे
With Devika Rani in Achut Kanya 1936.
धीरे जा
Ashok Kumar as a Kumudalal Ganguly was now known. He started off his acting career reluctantly. His subsequent venture with Devika Rani in Achut Kanya.
रात धुंधली हो गई है सारी दुनिया सो गई है
The same year was one of the earlier blockbusters of Hindi cinema.
फूल क्यारी में सो गई
Like several movies of that era, Achut Kanya was a reformist piece, future of a Brahman boy falling in love with a girl from the so-called untouchable in Indian society.
लेकिन कर्म से देवी इसकी जीवन कथा एक पुण्य कथा है जिसके सुनने और सुनाने से आत्मा को शांति मिलती है।
शांति तो हमें भी सुना दीजिए।
The runaway success of Achut Kanya. Comment Ashok Kumar and Devika Rani as the most popular on the screen couple of that era.
मुन्ना सियाना हो जाएगा
चुनमुन से पवन लावेगा
मुन्ना सियाना हो जाएगा
In 1959, Sangeet Natak Academy Award. In 1962, Filmfare Best Actor Award, Rakhi. In 1963, Bangla Film Journalist Association Best Actor Award, Hindi Gumrah.
अपना क्यों अरे
In 1966, Filmfare Best Supporting Actor Award, Afsana.
जाएगा किसी की आंख का
In 1969, Filmfare Best Actor Award, Ashirwad. In 1969, National Film Award for Best Actor, Ashirwad.
सामान घर से निकाले गए, नानी के घर से निकाले गए, इधर से उधर से निकाले गए और नानी के नाम में डाले गए।
क्या डाले गए?
In 1969, Bangla Film Journalist Association Best Actor Award, Hindi Ashirwad.
नदिया से गहरी दिन दोपहरी रात की रानी ठंडा पानी गरम मसाला पेट में ताला 16.5 15 दूं।
In 1988, Dada Saheb Phalke Award, Indian highest award for cinematic excellency.
आ गई देखो मुसाफिर
In 1994, Star Screen Lifetime Achievement Award.
चुपके चुपके कह रहा है
In 1995, Filmfare Lifetime Achievement Award.
आ गई देखो मुसाफिर प्यार की मंजिल मुसाफिर
In 1999, Padma Bhushan. In 2001, Awadh Samman by the government of Uttar Pradesh. In 2007, a special award by the Star Screen Award. That's all.
है चुपके चुपके कह रहा है मुझसे मेरा दिल आ गई देखो मुसाफिर प्यार की मंजिल मुसाफिर प्यार की मंजिल